Hi guys, this is Gaspar Como with the Linda Herrera team at John Hart Real Estate. Today I'm here with my friend Mike Pandazos. Hi Mike.
Hi, how are you?
Very good, Mike, very good. Mike, it's one of my preferred lender. It's displayed on my I Trust Professional page. And I'm here today to ask him a few questions and get to know him a little bit better. Hey Mike,
Yes.
so how long have you been in the business?
Believe it or not, I've been in the business for about 20 years now.
That's
Yeah,
a long
started at a
time,
very young
20
age. Yeah.
Boom, 20 years. So I'm pretty sure there's a lot of experience with that.
Absolutely.
Lots of
yeah.
different situation, different people, different types of loans throughout
Absolutely.
the 20 years.
Absolutely, yeah. Definitely helped out a lot of families over the years. Absolutely.
Is there any particular type of loan or product that you are specialized in?
We do a wide variety of different mortgage products. I will say the ones that we do the most of are going to be the conventional mortgages, conventional conforming loans. Although we also do a lot of government insured mortgages. We also help veterans with VA loans.
Oh, wow, okay.
And we also have a lot of products geared towards your self-employed borrowers who want to get a loan with very minimal documentation.
Okay. Well, that's actually amazing because what that means is like you are able to take care of all kinds of different situations where people come and they need different types of loans. So, and that's one of the things that I actually like to, the reason why I like to work with them, Golden Coast Sears, is because being a bigger company, you actually have access to all different types of loans, and obviously we all different. You know, when I first loan I got, my situation was pretty unique. There must be a guy that actually has a personal business, so he needs to come up with different documentation. The classic FHA, where you actually able to buy a property for very little minimum payment down. So that's a pretty good, you know.
Exactly. So we have all different types of products that are going to be geared towards any type of situation. So we're going to have a bulk of our clients who are first-time home buyers. We may have somebody who's buying their second home or vacation home. We may even have a client that's purchasing multiple investment properties, maybe a duplex, maybe a triplex, right? So we have a loan product for any type of situation. We even have loan products that don't require any employment or income documentation. This is great for somebody who's maybe retired, they have tons of equity, they want to do a refinance, or maybe they want to buy additional property. Yeah.
So all kinds of products, you know, that you guys
types.
have available for everybody up there. So that's amazing. So and how long have you been in charge of Golden Coast Finance?
So I basically started managing Golden Coast Finance about 5 years ago. 5 years ago, coming up next month actually. Yeah. So we run a very tight ship. We have a big team, and we have in-house processing. We pre-underwrite all our files. We have all the right relationships to be able to offer the fastest, most efficient process for any type of client.
And one thing I really like about Golden Coast is being under the umbrella of John Hart. We kind of like to keep it in the house, but the reason why it's because it will facilitate the whole process. So if I'm the agent from John Hart and I'm working with my preferred lender, Golden Coast, which is part of John Hart, the whole process, it's going to set a tone for a smoother transaction.
Absolutely. Being in-house does have its advantages because we're all working as a team. Of course, you have a team, your agent liaisons, your marketing team, you got your finance on your side. So the transactions go as smoothly as they possibly can. We're all communicating throughout the process. And it's also good to know that Golden Coast Finance, most of the business we do is for purchase transactions. And John Hart is going to be our main focus for the most part. And our objective is to provide white glove treatment to not just the real estate agent, but also the buyers.
Amazing.
Yeah.
I mean, just me as an agent, every time, you know, you send an email, you're waiting for a response and then another email. I have the luxury really to just go and walk upstairs and talk to this guy each and every time, which is really amazing, and it facilitates the whole process entirely. Anyway, that's great. So that's one of the reasons why I like to display those guys on my I Trust Professional page. If you guys ever need to speak to a lender for any reason out there, whether you're just curious or you have any questions, or am I going to be able to qualify for this loan, just feel free to reach out. Mike, where can they reach out to you?
Absolutely. It always starts off with a phone call. My phone number is area code 818-925-8277. You can also email me at mike@goldencoastfinance.com.
Or if you have any question, you can even reach out to me, myself, 714-309-8538. I'll be able to put you in contact with Mike, and we'll take it from there.
Fantastic.
All right, guys, from Gaspare Como, from the Linda Ojeda team at John Hart Real Estate. Again, thank you for listening. And if you have any question at all, feel free to reach out. Wishing everyone a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
Been a pleasure.
Thank you, Mike.